Thank you for purchasing a Sure-Loc Z-Wave Plus electronic deadbolt. Here's how to restore your deadbolt to factory settings. In the event your deadbolt fails to operate properly, restoring it to factory settings will alleviate most problems. Step 1. Remove one battery. Step 2. Press and hold the red set button while reinserting the battery. Do not release the red set button until the long beep finishes. You'll know the factory reset is complete when you hear the following beeps. Since every door is different, this deadbolt will automatically figure out which way to throw the latch. After installing the deadbolt and inserting all the batteries, touch the screen and enter the factory programming code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is what you can expect.